Hello viewers, I am Deepti. As examinations are very near, so today I am going to cover one most important question for ICSE Class 10 Biology from examination point of view, that is pick out the odd one out and state the category of the rest. So I am going to cover near about 35 plus questions in this video. So our first part is cyton, photon, axon and dendron. So here the odd one out is photon, and the term related with the category of the rest is parts of neuron. Next, transpiration, photosynthesis, phagocytosis and guttation. So odd one is phagocytosis and the term is plant processes. Next, hemoglobin, glucagon, idopsin and rhodopsin. So glucagon is the odd one term and the category of the rest is pigments. All other are pigments. Hemoglobin, idopsin and rhodopsin all are pigments. Copper's gland, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and lacrimal gland. So odd one term is lacrimal gland. Others are male reproductive parts where lacrimal gland helps in tear secretion. Next is blinking, writing without looking, smiling, blushing, crying. All are simple reflex. So category is simple reflex and the odd one term is writing without looking because इसके लिए आपको practice चाहिए, ये voluntary action है. Next, hemophilia, night blindness, albinism, color blindness. So odd one term is night blindness and the category of the rest is sex-linked inheritance disease. Next is malleus, pinna, incus, stapes. So the odd one term is pinna and the category of the rest is ear ossicles. Malleus, incus, stapes all are ear ossicles. Next, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland and salivary gland. So the odd one is salivary gland and others are endocrine glands. It means ductless glands. Next, ovary, uterus, ureter, fallopian tube. Odd one is ureter. Parts of female reproductive system is the category of the rest. Cerebrum, cerebellum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Here the odd one term is cerebellum and the others are belong to the parts of forebrain. So the category of the rest is parts of forebrain. Coughing, sneezing, eating and blinking. So odd one term is eating and others are simple or you can say conditioned reflex because eating is a voluntary activity. Goiter, dwarfism, acromegaly and cataract. So the odd one term is cataract and the category of the others is hormonal disorders. Next, FSH, ADH, ACTH and TSH. बायो के इन शॉर्ट एब्रीविएशंस के लिए भी मैंने आपके लिए एक शॉर्ट वीडियो बनाई हुई है. यू कैन रेफर टू दैट आल्सो फॉर ऑल द जितने भी आपकी क्लास 10th में आए हैं, जितने भी शॉर्ट एब्रीविएशंस हैं. इसमें odd one term is ADH and the category of the rest is hormones secreted by anterior pituitary gland. Next, plasmolysis, osmosis, diffusion, imbibition. So odd one term is plasmolysis and the category of the rest is uptake of water. Guard cells, mesophyll cells, cuticle and ribosomes. Ribosomes is the odd one term and the category of the rest is parts of a leaf. Uric acid, ammonia, glucose, urea. The odd one term is glucose and the category of the rest is excretory products. Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes. So the odd one term is monocytes and the category of the rest is granular leukocytes. Myopia, cataract, hypermetropia, squint or cretinism and the odd one term is cretinism and others are defects of eye. तो category क्या होगा? Defects of human eye. TAB, BCG, DPT, penicillin. So the odd one is penicillin and the category of the rest is vaccine. Vacuoles, ribosomes, mitochondria, centrosome. Centrosome is the odd one term and the category of the rest is parts of plant cell. Vasopressin, growth hormone, TSH, ACTH, FSH, hormones of anterior pituitary gland and vasopressin is the odd one term. Pons, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, cerebrum. So odd one term is cerebrum and the category of the rest is parts of हिंड ब्रेन, क्योंकि ये सारे हिंड ब्रेन में आते हैं। आपको ब्रेन से जुड़े हुए सेरिबेलम, सेरिबेरम, मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा, ये सब चीजें आपको वैसे भी पता है कि किसके साथ बिलोंग करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज ऑक्सीटोसिन, इंसुलिन, प्रोलैक्टिन, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन. So odd one term is insulin and the category of the rest is only female hormones. You can say female hormones exclusively. हालांकि इंसुलिन फीमेल में भी होता है बट मेल में भी होता है, तो अदर्स आर एक्सक्लूसिवली फीमेल hormones only. Next is saliva, bile, sweat and tears. So odd one term is bile and the category of the rest is germ killing body secretions. Our saliva, our sweat, our tears all are germ killing body secretions. Next, semicircular canal, tympanum, cochlea, utriculus. So odd one term is tympanum and the others belong to the category of parts of inner ear. Cretinism, myxedema, simple goiter, acromegaly. Odd one term is acromegaly and the category of the rest is effect of hypothyroidism. Presbyopia, cataract, hypermetropia, myopia, rickets. So rickets is the odd one term due to deficiency of vitamin D and defects of eye is the category of the rest. Cyton, axon terminal, centrosome, axon, dendron. Others are parts of neuron and the odd one term is centrosome. Cochlea, semicircular canal, retina, eardrum, malleus, and the odd one term is retina and the category of the rest is parts of ear. Stapes, cochlea, cornea, tympanum. Cornea is the odd one term and others are parts of ear. Cornea is the part of eye. Spinal cord, dendrites, axon, myelin sheath. The spinal cord is the odd one term and others are parts of neuron. Hypermetropia, myopia, astigmatism and thalassemia. So odd one term is thalassemia because it is related with blood. It is a blood abnormal disease. So others are defects of human eye. Vagina, fallopian tube, urethra, uterus. Odd one term is urethra and the category of the rest is parts of female reproductive system. Pleura, spinal cord, pericardium, meninges. So odd one term is spinal cord. Others means pleura, pericardium and meninges are the protective membranous coverings. Styrofoam, metallic cans, glass, animal dung. Odd one term is animal dung because others belong to the category of non-biodegradable waste, whereas animal dung is biodegradable. Appendix, wisdom teeth, eyes and pinna. The odd one term is eyes because other belong to the category of vestigial organs. With this I conclude my today's video. I will try to cover more important questions from your biology ICSE class 10 in my next videos. So please बेल आइकन प्रेस करना नहीं भूले. अगर आप बेल आइकन प्रेस करेंगे तभी आपके पास मेरी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आ पाएगा. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.